Most gardeners let their tomato plants grow wild and lose half their harvest to disease and tiny fruit. Pruning takes 10 minutes per plant and doubles your yield. Here's exactly how. Step 1. Remove suckers, the thin shoots growing between the main stem and branches. Pinch them off with your fingers or cut with pruning shears. These steal energy from fruit production. Step 2. Strip the bottom 12 inches of leaves off the main stem. These lower leaves trap moisture and cause fungal disease. Start removing once the plant is 18 inches tall. Step 3. Thin the canopy by removing 20 to 30% of upper leaves around ripening fruit clusters. This improves air circulation and lets sunlight reach the fruit. Leave enough foliage to protect from sun scald. Step 4. Stop pruning 4 to 6 weeks before your first frost. The plant needs leaves to ripen remaining fruit. Mark your calendar now so you don't accidentally over-prune late-season plants. Pro tip: don't remove all the leaves at once. Shock kills the plant. Spread pruning over 2 to 3 visits across the season. What's your biggest pruning mistake? Drop it in the comments below. Follow Sikho for more gardening tips. Visit Sikho.ai.